When starting a dropshipping business, we all want a winning product. As a matter of fact, winning product looks like a miracle, like something out of the movie or something from the heavens, all right? But the thing is, in those days, you just hope you invest the money into a product and you hope the product will do well. But now, no need of hoping. Now you have pure data. But let me show you what we used to do back then. Back then, we'll just come on Google Trends. This is still our friend, which is still my friend, all right? Just to let you know. Okay. And you simply just type in whatever it is you look. Okay. So let's say, for example, you see a good product you might like on AliExpress. Let's just look for a category and just pick a category. Let's say accessories, for example, and pick. Let's say we'll pick accessories. Or let's pick home and gardening, and let's say we'll pick mug. Okay, just wait for it to do its thing. So assuming, remember, we're looking for a product. Okay, how we get a product. I'm going to show you how we used to do it and show you what you need to do moving forward. So this is what we do. We just come in here and just maybe pick kitchen. All right, let's see we're here. Okay. Would I want this? No, let's check something else. Let's go check something else. I want something a bit more descriptive. All right. Let's say I'm going to pick, let's do this. Breads. Okay. And so let's say, for example, I want this particular product. Okay. Now, if we click on this, it's going to take us to a new page. All right. And I come in here and I just copy this. All right. I copy this. This is what happens. I have copied this and I just simply go back. Where is it? And I simply go on Google Trends and I just paste that. Okay. I click enter. Now, I'm not going to get any data because that doesn't make sense. Google Trends can't give you the data to show you if this product makes sense. Okay. If I come on here and just edit it and say, you know what, I want to just put bedspread, just try and, okay, cool feeling cover. Okay. And just see what it gives us. Enter. Now, it's also not giving us a very good, but this is what it's telling us. At some point, it makes sense, but later on, stay away from it. Basically, it's what we're getting. So in those days, what we'll do, we'll jump between AliExpress and Google Trends, and then we'll also check Google Shops and just see what's going on and see, that's how we do it. It makes it a bit difficult for us to try and figure out what particular product is selling at the moment. But then that's why you have this particular tool I'm going to show you now. Yeah. And this tool shows you the winning product and it's called PP Ads. This is one of the best tools out there in the market, in my opinion. And if you are not using this, then you're leaving a lot of money on the table. This is what I mean. If you click on winning products, remember we're looking for a winning product. Now you're here. What you're trying to do is for the last 30 days, we're trying to see for the last 30 days, what product is winning here. Okay, remember winning products. That's what we're looking for. We're not picking region just yet, right? So if you want to pick in region, you can just click on region and just click on United States. All right, and you can also click on Canada if you want, and just click on apply. All right, and just wait for it to do its thing. So it's loading up now, showing you products that are doing very well, that might be winning. Okay, sometimes it gives you on Facebook. We have usually very few data because the Facebook is still at this beta phase, meaning they're not completely done with it yet. So you might not be getting a lot of data on Facebook, but constant data on Facebook. But on TikTok, you get a lot of data. Okay, so let's come and click TikTok. It's TikTok we're looking for. All right, we're looking for TikTok. All right, and country is America. We don't want America and want Canada. As an example, you can pick any country you want. I'm just picking these two countries. All right. Now, you see, if you scroll down, these are products that they say, all right, is winning. So let's check this one out. Okay. This is a clothes. For clothes, for me, I don't usually like going for clothes because clothes are trendy and it might not, the trend might be ending when you decide to get into the business. So I don't like going in for clothes, but you can go ahead. I like going for products that are more a bit evergreen. All right. So product like this is a good product, I think. Or I don't know what it is yet, but fix your smile. Okay. So let's see. If you click on learn more, this will bring you here. All right. And then see how much you've spent. The ad costs about $7, 1,000 impressions. So they just started this ad creation. The ad started on the 6th of July and I recorded this video. I'm recording this video on the 7th. So literally yesterday. And the ad cost is about $28 or thereabout. So they just started this. But then, something like this is not a bad product because it's a bit evergreen for folks who want to fix their smile. Okay, so if you look at this, you see that this is the posts. If you want more details, just click on more details here, and it's gonna bring you here. All right, so you get a bit more look at it. Because there's really not a lot happening at the moment. You don't have a lot of data. All right, but if you just click on here, open a new tab,
Made a mistake during the fill. If you during the items you have these problems and you need to
so that's it. All right, and just keep checking. In my opinion, remember your winning products sometimes are product that you can jump into before it gets viral. Like I said, this product just started, so it's something you could look into. There are many of them here. There's this one here. This is when you hear your own voice sing for the first time. I don't know what that is, but let's scroll down and look for other products that do well. And so some of these products just started. And if you look at the dates here, this is where you see the dates here. This is the date. So you know this just started. So if you see the impression like this, you know this is a new ad. Days, just a day ago. A day ago. Okay. You can scroll down and get more days. So it's showing you winning products, so that products you can jump into at the early stage, because that's what counts in dropshipping. When are you opting in? Are you entering when it's late? Most of these products are showing you a day before, max 2 days ago, a day before. So just keep scrolling. That's what you see. Some of them. Now I've seen this like twice now. This one here. Then if you scroll up, another one here. Is it the same ad? Not the same. So you see, okay, this is the same person. Let me see. Daily look. Let's scroll down. Daily look. Okay, same account. All right. This is another ad. Okay. Now let's go. Let's leave America, for example, because other people still buy things, not just Americans. Okay. So let's check. Let's go back to the region here and uncheck America. Uncheck this and just pick. Let's pick something a bit more African. Okay, scroll down and see what our motherland has for us. So let's say we'll pick Nigeria, click apply, and then see what it's going to give us. All right. Okay, so you see, these are it's showing us very good accounts, but these accounts are owned by comedians, so they're not really like product selling accounts. Because at the moment in Nigeria, you can't own a shop account. So what you just usually have is just accounts, and see what they're doing. So if you're looking into not just dropshipping, really, if you're looking into see accounts that are doing very well, and you could just simply come in here and check them out. Okay, this is songs. Let's say something. So click on shop now. This person saying something. You need a bank statement to apply for a study visa, so learn more. These are people who are, they are selling something. Okay, they're saying I'm rewarding someone for helping me start a challenge for a new record. Okay, this is owned by us. So it's basically just shows you what other accounts are doing. So if you're into the service business, especially listening now, if you're into the service business, if it's on TikTok, it's on PP ads. That's basically what this means. Okay? Because you get a lot of things like this because, like I said, the shop thingy is not so available in Nigeria at the moment. So it's really not easy for you to have many people selling like dropshipping items outrightly. But there's a way to go around it, and that's what some of these guys have done. Okay? Now, these are other accounts. These are other people who are, this is persons US to Nigeria. This is Nigeria to the UK. This is Nigeria. So you could check them out and just really see what's going on and what you might implement. But this is how you go to find products that are winning, guys. Okay, so now let's go to Europe. Let's go Europe. I'm gonna remove this and just put in like Germany. Where is Germany? Put in like Germany. Just see what's happening in Germany. Wait for it to load up. Now you see, it's a bit more product. It's a bit more shop like compared when we're looking at what we picked in Nigeria. So this is it. And because it's Germany, we won't get a lot of English. And the good thing is that this tool can help you do some translation. All right. So it's loaded. Guys, if you like what you see so far, if you subscribe to the channel and click on the first link in the description and get 20% discount from this beautiful tool here. Now, this is what I also want to see. This is a day ago, guys. And I've gotten 3.5, 3,500 impressions. So let's go check them out and just see. This is click and see what's happening in here. How much is spent so far? They spent $5. This is a day ago, and they've gotten 2 impressions. And how much is the product? Let's see if we can get the cost. Let's see if we can get the cost of the products. The cost of the product not showing yet because this is a new ad. Okay, and the audience is 18 to 25. Android rated, like I said not long ago, and this is not a bad ad. The costs for this, I don't know how much the wristwatch cost, but I'm sure the person will factor that in when we're in the ads. So you could simply replay this and see, okay, not a bad one, right? So you can close this, and there's several other products you could look into. Okay, there's this product here. I don't know what this one does. All of them here are a day ago. Now this one is one I want to look at. A day ago, they've had 300,000 impressions and 1,200 likes. So let's go check them out. This is how much they spent, $500, and they've gotten 17 to 204 impressions. It means that this is a winning product. It means this is a winning product, okay? And it's left for you to now decide to opt in or not, okay? So if you want to see the post, the TikTok post, just open a new tab, right? And then you come in here and you see all of the data you want. See the post itself, okay? It's taking time to load up. That's it. You see it. I don't know what it does really, guys, but because it's going to be in Dutch, I believe. So but I think it's like a bed topper, I think so. Okay, but in one day, 17 to 20 to 204 impressions. This is quite impressive, guys. All right, so let's check something else. And I'm trying to show you something in a bit, all right? Let's look for something else that one day ago. You see, guys, you could get a product or products that are doing very well one day ago. Now, this person has spent about $118 and 4 to 47 conversions so far, right? And I don't know what this does. If we play this, like I said, not in English, obviously. But if you watch it to the end, you would most likely see what they are talking about, right? And understand what they're trying to sell. Why I'm showing you in countries like in Germany is that you see the conversions in Germany, in Europe, is way better than the conversions in America and in Canada, because I think in those countries, everybody wants to sell in America. Everybody wants to sell in Canada, but you're leaving out Europe, where there's a lot of money to be made. And let's go back and check one other country in Europe and see what's happening in there. So let's add in France. I'm going to add in France. I'm going to also add in, let's add in, what else? Where else we'll add? I think that's good for now. So click on apply and come down here. All right. So you see the impressions are good. One day ago, it's 29,000. If you click on the ad, see how much it has made so far. It has spent, this person has spent $45 to about $100 plus, and about 18 impressions. Conversions. All right. But if you were checking America, most times you'll be seeing like 0 impression. And this is a 1 day old. That means in a day, all right, on your daily budget, in a day, you would have made at least a sale. If you click on this and, all right, and you're here, so you see in a day, this person has made about 2 to 26 sales, and the ad cost is $64, so $260. Is that not awesome, guys? So instead of breaking your head on trying to sell to Americans all the time, why not sell in Europe? There are other countries in Europe, right? There are many countries in Europe that you should also be looking into, and not just limiting yourself to America, and because everybody wants to sell in America, right? There are many countries where the competition for dropshipping or e-commerce is low, and that you can really make some good money, right? Regardless of where you live. can be in Nigeria, you can be in Ghana, you can be in America, anywhere, and operate this business. So remember, you simply get your winning product by simply coming on PP Ads and signing up. So the first step is you obviously need to sign up with them. And to do that, click on the link in the description below and just have 20% discount. Okay. Like I said, in the next video, I'm going to show you how much it is to, or which is the best account to have with the PP Ads tool. It's a very beautiful tool that can help you cover a lot of ground. And if you are interested in knowing how to optimize your dropshipping business, make money passively online, subscribe to the channel, because coming days I'll be dropping lots of videos how to use this tool to make a lot of money in a very short time. This is Cash by Titas. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you in the next one.